Welcome to the Ashland Museum in Ashland, Virginia. This tiny museum is TARDIS-like as it looks small from the outside, but has a vast collection of preserved cultural and historical artifacts from the town's founding. The docent on staff at the time we visited was not only passionate about the history of the area, but so incredibly thorough on guiding us through their exhibits. See the link below for the museum's main page and check often if you want to know about their walking tours, cemetery tours, special events, history talks, and kids programs. And consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.